It's the run-up to Christmas 2024 and Lidl has announced its line of plastic model kits on offer this festive season. These are due in store from Sunday 1st of December. There's something for everyone, so let's start with the youngest model makers. Airfix Quickbuilds sets are designed for modelers of 5 and over. They click together like building bricks but create fairly realistic models. Best thing is, they can be taken apart and rebuilt time and time again. For Christmas, Lidl has selected 6 models starting with the iconic Spitfire, probably the most famous fighter plane of all time. Alongside this is the Hawkjet, flown by the world-famous Red Arrows display team, and for something different here's a kit of the Apache, the British Army's premier helicopter. Also from the British Army is this Challenger tank, widely regarded as one of the best in the world, and for those who want more speed there's the Audi R8 Coupe in dazzling red and the sleek Lamborghini Aventador in bright yellow. Now each of these kits sells for £14.99 on the Airfix website. Lidl is selling them for just £8.99 each. For slightly older builders aged 8 and over, there's a range of 5 Airfix gift sets and starter sets. Each of these 1/72 scale plastic kits comes with glue, paints and a paintbrush, as well as water slide transfers for the markings. There are 5 sets on offer this Christmas. Now it wouldn't be Airfix if it didn't include a Spitfire, and sure enough there's a gift set of the Spitfire Mark 1A, a type used in the Battle of Britain. Also an icon of British aviation is the de Havilland Tiger Moth, here in the colours of an aircraft owned by the Tiger Club of Great Britain. Back on the ground is a set of the famous Willys Jeep. It comes with a trailer and a towed gun. And finally, 2 of the latest style of starter sets, the classic World War II Tiger I tank from Germany and the Sherman Firefly from the Allies. These sets have a suggested retail price of £11.99. Lidl is selling them at just £6.99 each. Stepping up a bit for builders aged 10 and over are 3 cars from Revell in 1/24 scale. Each of these has over 100 parts and builds a kit around 18 to 19 centimetres in length. Every kit also comes with glue, paint and a paintbrush. First out of the blocks is the McLaren 570S. This is a 560 plus horsepower British supercar made between 2015 and 2021. Next is the Porsche 911 Carrera 3.2, the 228 horsepower German sports car with an instantly recognisable shape, made between 1984 and 1989. And finally, probably the best known sports car of all, the Jaguar E-Type, here the classic Series 1 that was made between 1961 and 1968. Each of these kits would normally retail at around £32, but Lidl has them priced at £19.99. And finally, aimed at model makers aged 12 years and over, is a range of classic ships from Revell. The first is the Mayflower, a ship that transported a group of English families known as the Pilgrims to the New World in 1620. This kit contains 369 parts and was released in 2020 for the 400th anniversary of the crossing, so it comes with a commemorative poster as well as glue, paints and a paintbrush. Next is HMS Victory, a 104-gun ship of the line of the Royal Navy, best known as the flagship of Horatio Nelson during the Battle of Trafalgar in 1805. This kit has 269 parts, includes glue, paints and a paintbrush, and also comes with a special poster. Finally is the RMS Titanic, the British ocean liner that famously sank on her maiden voyage after colliding with an iceberg. This box contains 2 complete kits, one at 1/1200th scale and the other at 1/700th scale, and again contains glue, paints and a paintbrush. Now each of these kits has a recommended price of over £32, but each will be available at Lidl for just £19.99. Remember, all these offers are available from Sunday 1st of December, but some of them may only be available through selected stores. Please check your local branch for availability. That's all for this video. I hope you managed to grab some bargains. Thanks very much for watching, and goodbye.